Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Brittany, and if this is your first time stumbling across one of my videos, I do focus on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. So if that seems like something that you may be interested in, please think about clicking on that subscribe button if you enjoy the content, of course. Also, if you're already a subscriber, go ahead and click on that notification bell because I do upload every Tuesday and Thursday, so I don't want you to miss a video. So in today's video, I have an LV unboxing, and I'm going to be styling up the item as well. So if you are interested in that, then stick around. Alright guys, so as you can see, I have a huge box here from Louis Vuitton, and this was a purchase that I picked up today on my lunch break. I was not planning on spending this type of money, but I've been thinking about this particular item for a few weeks now, and I know that I'm gonna get a ton of wear out of it, so I think it's worth it. So I've taken off the ribbon, and here is the box, you guys. It's pretty big, and it has a pull tab, so you probably already know what it is. So as you probably can tell, I picked up a pair of shoes, and they come with two different dust bags. So let's go ahead and open these up. So here they are, you guys. I picked up the Midtown ankle boot, and they are just like a shiny combat boot that LV has recently made, and I absolutely love them. Combat boots are really on trend right now, and honestly, I've been into combat boots for the past 2 or 3 years, and I find myself reaching for them every single fall and winter season. So I decided it was time to go ahead and invest in a nice pair of combat boots. I'm really a fan of the shiny leather. These are real leather, of course, but they have like a patent type of finish to them. They're not really patent because they are leather, but these are just gorgeous. So if you can see, they have the brogue style on the front. They also have the LV right there. The design is just gorgeous. They have leather laces, and they also have this nice buckle detailing here. If you can see that, the LV symbol there. And it also has a touch of monogram on the pull tab and also on the zipper pull as well. So I like the fact that you can zip these up on the side to get in them, and you can also loosen up the laces if you need to as well. So as I mentioned previously, I've been looking at these boots for a little while now, and I just did not want to take the plunge because these retail for $1,600 or $1,500, one of the two. Pretty steep for a boot. But I did realize that it was very hard to find like this shiny leather, and I just love this style and also the height of this boot. Because I am short, these come up at like the perfect length on me. The boots that I've been wearing for the past like 3 or 4 years, they're actually from Forever 21, and they are similar to this, of course, without all the detailing, but they have that shiny black leather look. And you guys, I paid $9.99 for those, and I've been wearing those for so long, but they are just run down. So it was time to invest, and I'm so happy that I picked these up. So now that we've gotten the unboxing out of the way, I want to style these up a few different ways and show you how I would wear them. And just know that you can interchange these boots. You do not have to have the LV boots. You can use any pair of black combat boots to go with any of the looks that I'm going to show you here today. So let's get started. So for this first look, this is what I filmed in, and it's very simple. I just have on a pair of leggings, a graphic tee, and a cardigan, and I just paired it with my LV Alma BB. Next up, we have another simple look. I just have on the same black leggings because I just love leggings with combat boots. And I have on this sweatshirt. Now, I picked this up from Zara last year, but any graphic sweatshirt will do. And I think this is really cute. It's like, again, a throw on and go. And I'll just top it off with my Chanel backpack just for a laid back vibe. You can also add a blazer on top. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about this look. Super simple, yet I mean, you still feel like put together. You're very comfortable. I love it. Hey guys, so here is another simple look. I just have on a sweater, an oversized cardigan actually that I picked up from Zara last year, and I wear it as a dress because it's very like overwhelming, so it looks weird when I have it open. So I always just wear it as a dress, but I decided to pair it with some Gucci tights. Again, super simple, keeps you warm. And of course I have on my combat boots, and I'll probably just wear my Chanel Gabrielle because, you know, it has all the chains and everything. And I think this look is really cute. Now, I actually wore this look last year and took a picture with it. Same exact look, just I had on cheaper boots. So yeah, you can do this with any combat boot you have and any oversized cardigan. Let's just say you have an oversized cardigan that doesn't have buttons. You can go ahead and just belt that up, add your combat boots to some tights, and you're good to go. So yeah, here is this look. Let me know what you guys think. So next up, I have on this khaki green midi length dress. I had this for a while. This is from H&M, and I just have it on, of course, with the boots. And you can top this off with like a leather jacket or like a leather overshirt. And I have this one here from Zara. So this is how it looks with the overshirt on top. A very laid back look, but it has a little bit of edge to it as well. So I'm feeling it. And this also has a belt to it, so you can kind of like belt this up if you wanted to. And here it is belted. So if you wanted to belt it up, you know, you can make this a whole look as well. And it's also keeping you warm. So yeah, another simple look, but still effective. Let me know what you guys think. All right, y'all, so for this next look, I have on this Bardot top that I picked up from Pretty Little Thing, and this should still be available. I really do like this. It's off the shoulder, as you can see. It has the nice puff sleeves, and it's like a corset style here in the middle as well. So very cute. I also just have it with the same black leggings, and of course I have on the boots. I added this hat just for a little bit of added detail. I just think it gives like winter vibes. And of course I would wear like a black coat or something over this. And for accessories, I'll just have on some gold hoops, and I would just pair it with my Chanel handbag. So something super simple, black and white look, but you know, it still gives that pop that you need, and you're comfortable because you have on your combat boots. So let me know what you guys think about this one. All right, guys, so for this look, I decided to go with my mesh Fendi bodysuit. I'm loving this bodysuit right now, especially for layering. So I put this with my satin dress. And I just like this look. It's very street but chic, you know. And I have on, of course, my combat boots. Again, I have them undone for like a laid back street vibe. And I'm going to pair this with my Chanel backpack just to give it like that laid back feel, not too much fuss. And to top it off, because, you know, it's cold outside, I'm going to put on this jacket here. All right, so I have on my jacket. Now, this jacket is really old. I picked this up, I think, from Nordstrom a couple years ago. And it's just like a real leather jacket, but it has that shearling or Sherpa, you know, lining. So I thought this would be really cute. It'll keep you nice and cozy. And yeah, I'm just loving this look. Let me know what you guys think about it. Okay, guys, so for this next look, I really wanted to give a Dior vibe without spending Dior money. So I've been seeing them do like the flannel looks with the book totes, and they also have like a jacket similar to this, even though mine is a flannel shirt. So I have this flannel shirt. It's from Pretty Little Thing, and I paired it over top of my polka dot dress that I had last year. I think it was last winter actually, and it's just a polka dot sheer dress. And I also have it layered with a turtleneck underneath, because you know that the fall and winter is all about layering in order to stay warm, but you don't have to compromise your style, as you can see. And of course I have on my combat boots to keep everything very comfy, and I rolled up those sleeves just a little bit so you can see that polka dot poking through. And because this is giving Dior vibes, I'm just gonna add my little Dior mini, and I also have on like a western type of belt. So you may notice that the hardware is silver and silver, but the boots are gold. Just ignore the fact that the boots have some gold hardware on there, because I'll be wearing these with everything. So this is the look. Let me know what you guys think about it. All right, guys, so for this next look, it's one of my favorites because it's really simple. So I have on this white shirt dress. You guys know my love for white shirt dresses. And I have it paired with just my Gucci tights and, of course, my combat boots. But to add a little elevation and pizzazz, I added my vintage Chanel belt. And I think this really adds a little bit of something. I love like the super old gold that it is. And I also have this headband. I don't know if you guys can see it. This is from Boohoo, and it's very cute. I absolutely love this little headband. It has like rubies and gold, very ornate. So I thought this would be a really cute look, but it's very elevated. And of course, because it's chilly, you can always pull out a black blazer. Now, a Balmain blazer would be ideal, but this blazer is from Boohoo, and it does have like the Balmain vibes. So here it is with the blazer on top. Now this look is cute. You can kind of wear this to work if your office allows, or you can switch the blazer out for a leather biker jacket. Okay guys, so for this look, it's a little bit fun. I have on a blazer dress, and I haven't worn a blazer dress in so long. I picked this one up a couple years ago, maybe a few years ago, from Misguided. Any blazer dress will do. This one is like a nice like pumpkin orange color. Maybe it's like a burnt orange, but perfect for the holiday season. And I kept on my Gucci tights. I also have on the combat boots, of course. And I also layered this blazer dress with a turtleneck. So this video will let you know that you need to invest in a nice turtleneck because it's essential. And also I belted the blazer dress up with just this cute belt that I picked up from Zara. I absolutely love the way that this cinches in my waist, and it just really defines the waist. Very cute, still laid back, but you're still a little bit more dressed up. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about this one.
It's Feet Kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the liquor. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she want another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, way you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me.
Alright guys, so that concludes my video on unboxing my Midtown ankle boots from Louis Vuitton, and also how I style them up. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Also, let me know your favorite look in the comment section down below. And if you want me to continue doing more videos like this, make sure to leave me a comment letting me know what you want to see next. And I will talk to you on my next video. Bye, y'all.